Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can promote on Pinterest. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your Pinterest account. So once you've done that, you simply need to click on ads and click on create campaign. And this page will automatic campaign or manual. So I'm going with manual. Click on get started. And here you can see choose a pick campaign objective, build awareness, consideration or conversion. So let's suppose I want to build awareness. Here you can campaign name and status. So this is good. You can change that campaign booking reference and campaign status you can select, and campaign budget daily or lifetime. So I want daily. For example, $2 per day. And if you want, you can run continuously, run on specific dates. So I want continuous run. Click on continue, and here you can add different details like ad group frequency, heading, and from here you need to select pin. So let's suppose I'm going to select this one. Okay, and add the name and the destination URL. So once you've done that, here you can see that you can add tracking URL as well. So you can preview your pin from here and click on publish, and after that you need to add business information, payment setting, and add billing information. Once you add your billing information from here, you can easily run your ad on Pinterest. So this is the process by which you can promote on Pinterest. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.